All right, it's still November 21st, and I've set a record, folks. I did weigh these. Each tub is over 87 pounds. 87 to 90 is what they weigh. So between the 3 tubs, and they're massive. They're just freaking massive. They're all as big as the first ones I showed you. It's crazy. I didn't weigh this, but it's actually more than the other tubs. It's 1 row, each one of these. That's 1 row, that's the first row. But it's well over 300 pounds, 140 kilos. It's crazy. This is the biggest crop I've ever done. Like, this is unbelievable. Like, the size of these things. Like, they're massive. So I'm going to soak them because they're really dirty, like usual. And I got a lot of processing to do. I'm not going to freeze them all, but I'm going to freeze a lot. I'll probably take a bunch of the food bank. That's crazy. They were really good this year. And the secret this year, folks, is I spread them farther apart. I made sure they were like 4 to 6 inches apart between each one. And I made the rows 4 feet between each one, between the rows. And that seemed to be the key here. They just grew like crazy. They had so much more room. The tops of them were way bigger than any other year I've ever had, actually. And considering we had the beginning of the season was so hot that nothing was growing right. Everything was growing all screwed up. This is pretty amazing. So that's the garden. So now I'm going to go down and uncover the chicken crap, and I'm going to spread it all over the garden. That's next. You want to say anything, Doug? Big old dog. He's been talking to me all day. Say goodbye.